Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. So in today's video I'm literally going to be showing you how you can make your hands look younger, ageless, and look beautiful, remove wrinkles and fine lines in your fingers. Okay, so let me take you right into this video because it is an amazing ingredients that would actually smoothen your hands, soften your hands, and remove wrinkles. So it's just like a 3-in-1 kind of ingredients. Okay, all right, let me take you right into this video. Let us go. Okay guys, so to have that younger looking hands, okay, and remove wrinkles, we're basically going to be making use of carrots. So I would like to peel those carrots, cut it in pieces, and then blend. Okay guys, so now I'll have to turn it back into the blender. Then we're going to be making use of banana. So that is actually the reason why I actually turned the carrot juice inside the blender back, because I want to blend the banana with the juice. So this is how it looks like. Then we're going to be needing gram flour. You can actually get this online. And then the very last ingredients, we're going to be making use of egg and the egg whites. So I have egg whites here, and I'm going to be putting just a little of it, and then we stir. Okay, so let's go and apply this onto our skin. So this is what you're gonna do here. You're gonna grab this and then you're gonna apply it onto your hands, and make sure to apply it up to this side. And then you scrub it in a circular motion just like this. Scrub it in a circular motion just like this. And then you have to apply onto your palm, but before that, let's apply onto the right hand. You know that the right hand, do more chores than the left hand. So make sure to apply, and then we'll now apply onto the palm. So this will definitely make your hands look younger and stay beautiful. Remove wrinkles. So you just do it like that. Okay, so after that you have to wash it out with a lukewarm water, and your hands is going to stay soft, and the more it stays soft, the more the wrinkles are going to go, the dead skin cells are going to be gone, and your hands are literally going to be looking way younger and very, very beautiful. Okay, so you scrub this. You can actually store this and then you scrub it for like 1 week, and you're gonna see the results. Now when you see the result, you're not like gonna stop, because of course when you apply cream onto your body, you don't stop, you keep on applying. So at least 3 times in a week you make this, scrub your hands with it, and then it's going to actually go off. Okay, so go try this, and your hands are going to be looking way, way younger. Your skin is going to be looking very, very glowing, and you are basically going to be looking super duper smooth and shiny. So it makes my hand, it will actually target your knuckles, make your hands look softer, younger, and more fresher. So that's it. Go use this to make your hands look younger. Do not actually allow your hands age you out, and this is literally going to be looking amazing and beautiful on your whole skin, because when your hands is uniform to your body, it's actually gonna look really, really beautiful. Okay guys, so I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you. Bye.